Good morning. Well, it's overcast today a little bit. It's Saturday. And, of course, I'm feeding these lentils, these greens, to the birds this morning. The last couple of days didn't have sun. They still look pretty good. So every morning we do that. It's kind of overcast. We're going to a farm animal swap this morning. So I'm gonna film some of that. Most people don't like to be filmed, and you gotta ask for permission. So I'm just gonna film the animals, birds, whatever they have. So that's where we're heading this morning. All right. See you at the swap meet. Okay, looks like everybody's getting set up. Let's go see what kind of animals they got.
So it says right here, corn is an excellent.
They're full grown, so you don't have to worry. These are only 5 weeks. These are only 6 weeks old.
Oh my god. Let's go look around and we'll wait for Shannon to text me back. Wow.
It's easy. January 1st and 2nd for my two. First and the 2nd. Yeah.
Oh, certainly will. I'm gonna tell you how many I want. I'm gonna get it. But those right there ain't doing nothing.
Gimme hens.
Yeah. Like I said, my big duck.
It reminds me of my daddy.
That one's pretty, man.
Yeah, he's a rooster. That's a purebred Duclay.
You need to break this clause.
Yeah. Okay, this is what I bought today. All right. This is garlic. Pickled garlic. Talking about good. This is pickled quail eggs. Extremely good. Both of them are well worth it. Well worth it. They were the cheapest, actually the cheapest ones at the get together today. This is $10 a piece. $10 a pint. Everybody else was wanting $12 and $15 a pint. Okay. Go get you some.